Generally, when a phone is being developed, there are multiple prototypes a brand comes up with. They're all developed in a super secret lab somewhere, they're all developed simultaneously, and only in the later stages of development does a brand decide, hey, this is what's going to be our next phone, let's focus on it. Now, it's early days for the Zenfone 6, but some channels have gotten some kind of leaks of prototypes from Asus's labs, and we've got our own sources who have gotten us some exclusive pictures and video for one such model, one such prototype. In today's video, let's take a look at some of these prototypes from Asus that might just turn out to be the next Zenfone 6. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and let's get started with this exclusive. If you do end up liking this video, don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. And of course, here's a card to a monthly giveaway. In case you've not checked it out yet, do so. So the first leak is from a channel, Rodrigo Portela. This Zenfone seems to have metal sides and a glass or maybe polycarbonate back, almost like the ZUK Z1. It does have a Type-C port and a headphone jack. That's nice given so many brands are dropping the jack, and there are even rumors of Samsung dropping it with the S10. So I'm glad to see it here. Here's another angle of the phone. Here we can see the tray to the top. There's a dual camera setup to the back, and here's the phone side by side with the Zenfone 5 or 5Z. Now if you look closely here, the port looks like it might just be micro USB. I mean, from this angle it looks so Type-C. So if micro USB, for a minute I thought it might be a Zenfone Max or something, but now here's the angle that blew my mind. Look at that camera cutout. Here's another angle. Now if this doesn't impress you, I'm not sure what will. And this teeny tiny cutout that replaces the notch, I'm so impressed. I really wish this turns out to be the Zenfone 6. Now the next leak is from actually a good friend of mine, Tato, who runs a super popular Portuguese podcast. He also does YouTube, and this is from his channel. This prototype looks quite amazing too. The camera cutout doesn't look as mind-blowing as the last one, but it still looks great. Kinda like a non-centered dewdrop notch. I mean, if you're from the 90s and you remember files and punching machines, it feels like someone incorrectly punched a hole onto the display. Now, jokes apart, the back reveals waterproof markings, seems to be a very reflective finish. The dual camera module to the back is nothing special. There is a fingerprint scanner too. The back seems to be almost mirror-like, but given these angles, can't really confirm that. It is also interesting to notice that there are no ports to the bottom. Type-C to the top. Where's the speaker? What happened to the headphone jack? Anyway, now let's get to what my own sources have gotten us. After you've seen the last couple, this might be a little disappointing, but hey, we've got hands-on footage. This is super exclusive and you aren't going to be seeing this elsewhere on the internet. This is a regular dewdrop notch with a back that has the usual concentric circles. What's super interesting though is this camera array. It's got 3 cameras to the back. The screen to body ratio on all 3 prototypes seem great. Asus seems to be putting in a lot of effort into this. And here are a few more pictures. Now that's pretty much it visually. Now are these Zenfone 6 prototypes? Technically, I can't confirm it, but given that the current 5Z, the flagship, sports a worse screen to body ratio and a wider notch than all 3 prototypes we've seen today, it would be a good guess that any one of these can end up being the next Zenfone, the Zenfone 6, the flagship. Now, which prototype did you like the best? 1, 2, or 3? Here's a poll, let me know. Now remember, there is a chance that if some of these don't end up as the next Asus flagship, they might just end up as the next mid-ranger. Maybe a Zenfone Max that looks like this. Man, I'd like that. Anyway guys, that about wraps it up for this one. Let me know what you think about these leaks. Are you interested in the Zenfone 6? Can't wait for IFA 2019, which is probably where Asus would reveal the next Zenfone. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, it is time I bid you adieu. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about this video. Share it with friends and family if you found it interesting enough. Subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon if you haven't yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.